In this video, we have been given that CA and CB are tangent to the circle and radius of the circle is 5 and angle ACB is 60 degree. Then we have to find blue shaded area. So first method, suppose the center of the circle is O, then OA and OB, they are radius, that will be 5, and in any circle, radius and tangent, they are perpendicular to each other. So these angles, they will be 90 degree. And also in AOBC, this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, and this angle, suppose theta, then 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 90 degree plus theta, it will be equal to 360 degree. So theta, it will be equal to 120 degree. This angle, it will be 120 degree. And now if we join OC then in any circle from point P, if we draw two tangent on the circle PA and PB, then PA, it will be equal to PB. So here CA, it will be equal to CB, and AO, it is equal to BO, and CO is common. So triangle AOC, it will be congruent to triangle BOC. That means this angle and this angle, they will be equal and 60 degree. And these two angles, they will be also equal, that will be 30 degree. And also area of AOC, it will be equal to area of BOC. And in triangle AOC, this angle, it is 30 degree. AO is 5. This angle is 90 degree. So tan 30 degree, it will be equal to AO by AC. And tan 30 degree, it is 1 by S square root of 3. It is equal to 5 by AC. So AC will be equal to 5 times S square root of 3. So area of AOC, it will be equal to 1 by 2 times base is AO times height is AC, and it is 1 by 2 times AO is 5 times AC is 5 times S square root of 3, and it is 25 times S square root of 3 by 2. So area of AOBC, it will be equal to 2 times area of AOC, that will be equal to 2 times 25 S square root of 3 by 2. So area of AOBC, it will be equal to 25 times a square root of 3, and now blue shaded area, it is equal to area of AOBC minus area of sector AOB, and area of AOBC, it is 25 times a square root of 3 minus, and in any circle, if center is O and this point is A, this point is B, radius is R, and this angle is theta, then area of sector AOB, it is equal to pi r square times theta by 360 degree. So here area of sector AOB, it will be pi times radius is 5 square times theta is 120 degree by 360 degree, and 120 times 3 is 360, so it is 25 times a square root of 3 minus 25 pi by 3, and second method, center of the circle is O, and if we join CO and extend it, suppose this point is H, and if we draw a tangent at H, then in any circle, radius and tangent, they are perpendicular to each other, so these angles, they will be 90 degree, and if we extend CA and CB, suppose this point is P and this point is Q, then CP, it will be equal to CQ by symmetry. So in triangle CPQ, CP, it is equal to CQ, and this angle, it is 60 degree. That means CPQ, it will be equilateral triangle, and also these two angles, they will be equal and 30 degree. And now if we join OB, then OB, it is radius, that will be 5, and these angles, they will be 90 degree. So in triangle OBC, OB is 5 this angle is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree, it will be equal to OB by BC, and it is 1 by a square root of 3 is equal to OB is 5 by BC. So BC is equal to 5 times a square root of 3. BC, it is 5 times a square root of 3. And in any equilateral triangle ABC, from the center O, if we draw a perpendicular OD, then BD, it will be equal to CD. So here BC, it will be equal to BQ. So BQ, it will be also 5 times a square root of 3. And now CQ, it will be equal to BC plus BQ, that will be equal to 10 times a square root of 3, and area of CPQ, it will be equal to a square root of 3 by 4 times side length is 10 times a square root of 3 square, and it is a square root of 3 by 4 times 300, and 4 times 75 is 300, so it is 75 times a square root of 3, and area of circle, it will be equal to pi r square, that will be equal to pi times 5 square, and it is 25 pi. And suppose this is green area and this is yellow area, then blue plus green plus yellow area, it will be equal to area of CPQ minus area of circle, and it will be equal to 75 times a square root of 3 minus 25 pi, and blue area, it will be equal to green area, it will be equal to yellow area by symmetry. So blue area, it will be equal to 1 by 3 times 75 times a square root of 3 minus 25 pi, and it is equal to 25 times a square root of 3 minus 25 pi by 3. And third method, center is O and radius is 5, and these angles, are 90 degree. and in any circle from any point P, if we draw two tangent A and B, then PA it will be equal to PB. So here CA it will be equal to CB. And if we join AB, then in triangle ABC, AC it is equal to BC, and this angle it is 60 degree. That means ABC it will be equilateral triangle. And in AO BC, if we join OC, then these two angles they will be 30 degree, and this angle is 90 degree, and OB is 5. So BC it will be 5 times a square root of 3. BC it is 5 times a square root of 3. And now ABC it is equilateral triangle. So area of ABC it will be equal to a square root of 3 by 4 times 5 times a square root of 3 square, and it is a square root of 3 by 4 times 75, that is equal to 75 times a square root of 3 by 4. And area of circular segment this area green area it will be equal to area of sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. And it is equal to in sector AOB we have radius 5, and this angle it will be 120 degree. This angle is 120 degree minus, and in triangle AOB AO is 5, AB is 5, and this angle is 120 degree. So area of sector AOB it will be pi times radius is 5 square times angle is 120 degree by 360 degree minus, and in any triangle ABC, if AB is A, AC is B, and this angle is theta, then area of ABC it is equal to 1 by 2 AB sin theta. So it will be 1 by 2 times 5 times 5 times sin 120 degree, and 120 times 3 is 360, so it is 25 pi by 3 minus 25 by 2 times sine 120 degree, it is a square root of 3 by 2, and it is equal to 25 pi by 3 minus 25 times a square root of 3 by 4. And now blue area, it will be equal to area of triangle AOB minus green area, and area of triangle AOB, it is 75 times a square root of 3 by 4 minus green area, it is 25 pi by 3 minus 25 times a square root of 3 by 4, and it is 75 times a square root of 3 by 4 minus 25 pi by 3 plus 25 times a square root of 3 by 4, and it is 100 times a square root of 3 by 4 minus 25 pi by 3, and it is 25 times a square root of 3 minus 25 pi by 3.